if everything conspire to your greatness and to your joy, if everything is there for you to be joyful, if the sun is shining for you, if the trees and the flowers are blooming for you to see them, if everything around you is loving you and supporting you and conspiring to your greatness and evolution, then why should we worrying? Why should I be afraid? Why should I why should I be afraid? And why? Like, life is for us. Either way, we wouldn't have been born. So life is for us. And if life is for us, well, everything around is for us. Everything around look like us. Every flowers around, every birds around, every clouds around are our mirror. Wow, this sentence was so complicated to say. Is our mirror. Okay, no, but for real. Like, look at this. Can you see this screen right here? And those flower and leaves right here? Can you see them? Can you see those colors and this landscape? And can you see this? It's there. It's on Earth. And guess who is in Earth too? Me and you. Which means that we are like twins. Like, we look alike. Like, you know? Like, there is no difference because we are also there. We like, I am existing as the mountain is existing. So why there is a difference, and what is our difference? There is no difference for the eye that can see the unique perfection and creation of God. There is no separation between this and this. No, for real. No, because I was being dirty in my mind, so I was like, but anyway. But yeah, there is no difference. So I'm saying that because a friend of mine told me something very interesting. She told me to take care of myself because nothing around me is asking me for me to be something else. Nothing around me is asking me to how to say that, to make much effort. Nothing around me is expecting me to be perfect. So if I put on myself pressure, like I need to be perfect for this person, I need to show up for this person, I need to be that, I need to be this, I need to be that, I have to remember that either the sky and either the trees are asking me to be perfect. The bugs are not asking me to be perfect. I'm not asking a spider to be perfect. I don't care about the spider being imperfect or perfect. The spider is doing his life. the fly is doing his life. Like, at the end of the day, we are alike. What can you see? Can you see the universe in my eyes? No, because the universe is not here. It's all around. Anyway, so yeah, and when my friend told me that, I was like, yeah, of course. If, as she said, if we are one with everything around, if we are one with the trees and we are one, then nothing around me is asking me to be something else than who I am. And by the way, we all need differences to create one. Like, the planet Earth is the planet Earth because there is a lot of things on the planet Earth. There is oxygen, but there is also fire, and there is also human being, and there is also animals, and there is also dead trees, and there is also water, and so much things. And all of this is creating just the earth. Okay? So, like, we need you. Like, we need me, and we need you. We are important the way we are, technically. We are important the way we are. So we should not try to change who we are. And we have also to remember that we are accepted by a lot of things around us that we cannot see. Like, we are a part of the planet Earth, so of course we are already accepted. I am accepted. Either way, I wouldn't have been there breathing. Like, if I wasn't able to be accepted on Earth, I wouldn't have been able to breathe. Like, the oxygen government state would have been like, she can't breathe. We are not accepting her. I don't want her to breathe. So, no, but like, there is no breathing government. The Earth is for everyone. And Earth allows me to breathe. So, no debate. I have my place here. And you have. I have my place here, and so do you. And so do you. Okay. So now, let's try something together. I am not different from this. Okay. I am one. I seek for beauty and for authenticity. And I believe that what I am searching for is also searching for me, and what I am searching for is existing, and we are attracting each other's. I also accept that I have shadow and ugly spaces on myself, and that's okay because this is allowing me to be one, so it's okay. And also, I remember that I have nothing to prove to anyone and to nothing because I am already accepted. And that's all. Do I have something else to say? Maybe, I don't know. I just drew something because I like to draw. That's all for me, period.